Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the text-to-speech tool in the Read&Write browser extension. This feature is also available in the desktop version of Read&Write but may function a little differently. The text-to-speech tool is perfect for hearing written text read aloud. You can press play, pause and stop the speech whenever you want. The text-to-speech tool can be used on web pages that do not include images, videos or links, and it can be used in the Microsoft 365 software. If you want to read aloud on web pages that do include images, videos or links, use the hover speech tool on the Read&Write browser extension. Check out the video for this feature on how to use the hover speech tool. On the Read&Write toolbar, the text-to-speech tools are the play, pause and stop icon, and when you hover your mouse over, you can see the words play, pause and stop appear. To use this tool or any of the tools on the browser extension, click on the icon and a small dot will appear, and the icon will change colour to show you that you are currently using that feature. To use the text-to-speech feature, simply press the play button on the web page you want to be read aloud. You will see the sentence being read aloud in a yellow highlight with a blue highlight on the exact word being read aloud at that moment. If you want to pause the speaking, press the pause icon and the highlight will remain on the last section that was being read aloud. If you want to stop the speaking altogether, press the stop button and the highlight will disappear. In the Read&Write settings, under the Speech tab, you can choose which voice you would like to hear when reading aloud. You can also set the speed of the voice. If you use the text-to-speech tool, you can choose whether you want the voice to continuously read, which means if you want it to read a whole page rather than just a sentence or a word, it will continue reading till you press the stop button. You can also choose whether you want the text-to-speech tool to speak on each word as you type or on each sentence as you type. If you use the translator tool, you can choose the language you would like Read&Write to translate to. So that is the text-to-speech feature in the Read&Write browser extension. For more help on how to use the other Read&Write toolbar features, please check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.